Do you know many people are having trouble with the steam-assisted cleaning function on their Westinghouse ovens? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Remove food residue. The steam-assisted cleaning function helps remove food residue inside the oven with ease. Step 2. Best for light soiling. This function works best for light soiling and is not meant for tough baked-on stains. Step 3. Use when cold. You can use the steam cleaning feature when the oven is cold. It creates steam to loosen and clean residue. Step 4. Operate without water tank. Even though there's no water tank, you can still use this function. It operates without needing one. Step 5. Mix cleaning solution. Mix water, white vinegar, and dishwashing detergent. Spray this solution inside the oven cavity to aid cleaning. Step 6. Follow procedure. Follow the recommended procedure to keep your oven clean and efficient. After following these steps, you should be able to use the steam-assisted cleaning function effectively. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Westinghouse users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.